All right, my friends, so we're going to look at this multiple angle example. I know it's multiple angle because of the 5x. And we'll do two things. We'll do all real solutions, and then we'll also do solutions just between 0 and 2 pi. And I'm actually I'm stalling right now so you can write this down yourself. But I'm going to pause my video, and I'm going to just put all the work that's used to get the sine of 5x isolated. Because I think people probably know those steps, or when they see what I did, it should be clear enough. So if you want to pause your video right now and take care of that, please be my guest. When you click resume, all the work will be there like it's TV magic, you know? So here I go to pause. And now that we've got the sine of 5x isolated, not too worried about the 5x right now. I need to figure out what the sine of some angle is negative 1/2. So I'm going with the idea that sine is a vertical component of a triangle, and that this is the short side of the 30, 60, 90, and it's negative. So when I draw my unit circle, I want to draw a vertical component, that touches the x-axis, and I want it to be the short side of a 30, 60, 90, and I want it to be negative. So I'm going to put like a negative 1/2 out here. So I'll go out further and go down shorter. I'll go out further and go down shorter. Remember, that vertical component always touches the x-axis for our reference triangles. That's how we drew them from the very beginning of class. And I'll draw these reference triangles like this, out from the origin to the point of intersection. And I know I'm dealing with a pi/6 reference angle. And I know that this is going to be 6 pi/6 over here, because that's just plain old pi. And I know this is 12 pi/6 over here. So that tells me that 5x could be equal to whatever pi/6 more than pi is. So that's 7 pi/6 plus any full rotation. And then in gorgeous pink, it's pi/6 away from 12 pi/6. So 5x could equal 11 pi/6 plus any full rotation. Now, x is not by itself yet. So let's divide both sides by 5. And what I'm really going to do is multiply by 1/5. So when I divide 7 pi/6 by 5, I'm really going to make that denominator 5 times bigger to have 7 pi over 30. And I'm thinking of this as being over 1. So it becomes, of course, 2 pi n over 5. And a similar thing happens on this side. X will equal, maybe pause the video before I do it. Maybe I'll just stand here and stare stupidly. Okay, and now that I've done that, I'll have 11 pi over 30 plus 2 pi n over 5. Now, if the question is all real numbers, part A, I am done, 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 done. I'm done for part A. For part B, if it's between 0 and 2 pi specifically, I am going to make a separate video for that. If you need to watch it, superb. I will see you in another video very soon. Oh, I didn't hit pause.